in the jungle, green and white. Three cheeky monkeys love to hide. They swing and giggle, hop and jump, and sometimes land with a noisy thump. A lovely duck with feathers bright waddled in with pure delight. Be calm, my friends, don't make a fuss. Let the monkeys laugh, come play with us. They hung from trees and shook the vines, threw mangoes down in funny lines. Duck quite loud, oh mercy me, you'll drop those fruits on top of me. One monkey slipped into the stream. The splash was big like in a dream. Duck helped him out, so sweet, so kind, while the others laughed from behind. Then Duck said softly, let's all be fair, no teasing now, let's show we care. The monkey smiled, we'll try, we swear, and danced around without a care. So every day by Jungle Brook, the monkeys play where Duck can look. They laugh, they learn, they share a snack. Three silly monkeys and a duck that quacks. Waddled in with pure delight. Be calm, my friends, don't make a fuss. Let the monkeys laugh, come play with us. They hung from trees and shook the vines.